Look at my face, so sweet and pure. They let me sing even though I have a stutter. We're hanging tough, we punch the air. Cause like the honey badger, we don't fucking care. This song was made by a gay computer. We all sing high cause we're neutered.
Baby, we make real bands go home and slit their wrists. We are the seventh sign of the apocalypse. We're running now cause we don't know what water is. You don't know, oh, you don't know we're terrible. You thought that boy bands were dead and gone, but just like cancer and AIDS, we're still going strong. 10 million tween girls and old perverts can't be wrong. Let's all point and run. Pointing at stuff is such fun. Point, point, we don't know, we're almost done. What's going on? I see your thong. Girl, did you know that I've got the same one on? We're on the beach, doing a sport. We didn't bring any beach stuff, not even shorts. Here comes a girl who was paid to be here.
Let's all split one lukewarm beer.
Me and my old friends all want you so desperately. Now that I say that out loud, it sounds quite creepy. Come back here, you're not in danger of pregnancy. Cause we don't know, oh, we don't know what boners are. Now let's do the na-na part. This is the part where we na-na-na-na. Every hit song needs a na-na-na-na. You'll wake up at night screaming na-na-na-na. My grandmother's nickname is Nana.
And now I'll point to the place where you make babies. I want somebody to grow old and point with me. I like the fact that we wear the same size capris.
I don't know, I don't know that I'm gay yet.
Someday he'll come out of the closet. In 5 years I will OD on heroin.
One of us will be the Justin, I think it's me. I don't think so, bro, I will be the Justin one.
Oh no, you will be the fat fatone.
F you.
I will be in musicals.
Ducky of Awesome.